Hello everyone, Shraddha here. So today I will be talking about the ways that can help you to improve your communication skills. So first is listen more instead of speaking up, instead of waiting up for your turn to speak. You should also develop listening skills. Then next is avoid words like we say and then and all right. We should avoid these kind of words. Next is don't get distracted by your phone. So suppose you are communicating with me and you are like your phone is vibrating, or maybe there are some notification in your phone and you are distracting by your phone, like because of your phone, and you are not at all focusing on what I am saying. So it will also break an effective communication, because you have to listen whatever I am saying, then only you can reply the exact question or say exact things what I am talking about. So you can relate your answer to that statement or whatever I have said, and then only you can like reply in a proper manner. So if you will be getting distracted by your phone, so you won't be able to listen the complete things, so you will be miss out something, and you will then whatever you will be saying, it will be a mess. So yeah, you need to take care of this too. Next is maintain eye contact. So whenever uh, especially in professional like life, so whenever people or say professionals are not at all making or maintaining eye contact, it seems like they are not confident or they are nervous. So these are the symbols for this like nervousness kind of things. So you should avoid doing this. So you should maintain a proper eye contact with the one whom you are talking. Next is be brief and specific. It's not about you are using big like jargons, and you are instead of using 4 to 5 relevant words, you are using 60 to 50 words, or like, and then you are firing, you are thinking that you are like you have a great in communication skills and your English is very good. So that's just stupidity. What you need to do, it should be very specific and it should be precise. So what you want to say, it should be convey within a limited say a statement, or say within the limited words, and it should not consume others time. So whatever you are saying, it should be very clear. Suppose you are saying something to me, so I should get what you are talking about, and then based on that I can reply I can reply for your question or whatever suggestion you are giving to me. Next is have positive body language. So like if I am saying and I am like studying straight, I am not at all moving, so we have to do some kind of body language, some gestures, so that the way we are communicating will be looking very much involving, and it will look good and professional. I'm not saying to do some jokers kind of thing, but in order to maintain professionalism, it's good if you are using body language in a proper manner. Next is avoid jargons, use very simple and straightforward language. So yeah, if you are working on your communication skills, so these are the tips that you should focus on. It's not about like learning lot of words because you are like improving, you want to improve your communication skills, you want to use difficult word that sound so nice, so cool. So it's not like that. What you need to do, it's fine if you are using simple language, but your language should be very much clear and it should leave a proper message without any doubt. So yeah, that's it for today. We'll be coming soon in my next video with some other terms related to say some other topics related to communication skills or verbal section. So yeah, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and if you want me to come up with some other topic, just let me know. I will be covering that too. So yeah, thank you so much. We'll be coming soon in my next video. Bye.